guys, alam ko nagtataka kayo, lalo na sa mga friends ko, sa notes ko. So ngayon, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba makita yung settings sa Messenger. Yan.
Alas
Alam
7.
ko
Yes.
lahat kayo naghihintay. So, ito na. Nag-screen recorder na lang ako para makita na rin ng lahat. Pati na ng mga sighted. Yun. So, bago yan, punta tayo ng Messenger.
Home button. Home.
Pagalan natin.
Screen areas. Operant. TTS rate. 6060.
Wait lang.
Apps. App screen. Clock. Contact.
Punta tayo
Page
ng
2 of 4.
Messenger.
Messenger. 4 notification. Application icon. Messenger. Selected chats.
Yan.
People. All chats. All chats menu.
So,
Logged in chats. 14 chats. Logged in as Ralph Marco Veller Aguilas. Switch account button. Chats.
diba,
14 new messages
pansin nyo
button.
naman, wala siyang settings, diba? Kung napapansin nyo, diba, wala siyang settings.
Marketplace.
Kahit
Message request
mag-search
button.
ka
Mark
dyan,
chat. Logged in as all chats menu.
kahit
Keep
puntahan mo
highlights.
pa to.
Highlights. All
Yan.
chats. Logged in as all chats. Logged chats. 14. Logged in as Ralph Marco Veller Aguilas. Switch account button.
Yan.
Chats. For logged in as Ralph. All chat. People. Tab. People.
Yan.
Tab 3
Kahit
chats.
puntahan nyo
14.
yan.
All logged in as Ralph. Chat market message archive button. Communities.
Yan.
Home button.
Wala siyang
Accessibility.
settings,
Acts
diba?
238. UP. Acts 238. Back accessibility button. All chats. Acts 238. Accessibility button.
Diba, pansin nyo,
Home
wala naman. Walang
All chats. Select
settings.
highlights. Chats. 14 on
Ngayon,
chats. Highlight people.
kapag in-enable
All
na
chats
to,
menu.
ayan, ito, enable natin. Yan.
Enabled enhanced detailed focusing mode.
Yan. Tingnan nyo ang mangyayari, guys.
Logged in as Ralph Marco Veller Aguilas. Switch account button. Settings button.
Diba? Nagkaroon na siya ng
Settings button.
So, ayan
Settings but chats. 14 logged in as settings button.
Ayan, papasukin natin yan.
Messenger. Back button. Close button. QR code. Close button.
Yan.
Back button.
Ayan nasa settings na tayo.
Back me. Back button. Enabled enhanced. Disabled enhanced detailed focusing me. QR Ralph. Change profile. Basta echo. Dark mode. Act. Username. Back button.
So, ayan
Chat messenger. All chats logged in as
So,
Ralph chats.
ito na nga.
Back button.
Marahil nagtataka kayo kung paano yun. Ayan ang gawin natin. Para mas maganda, guys. Or, sige, ganito. Mag-main menu kayo.
Main menu. More button.
Tapos, pindutin nyo lang itong more.
Main menu.
Tapos,
More button.
pindutin nyo ulit itong more. Tapos,
Main menu.
swipe lang kayo. Hanapin nyo na itong
Go back. No quick 8 3 power split node click long press direct double direct swipe right direct swipe direct vert chair list full node read enhanced astro enhanced detailed focusing mode.
yan. Pag tinap nyo yan,
Enabled enhanced detailed focusing mode.
mag-enable yan.
Disabled enhanced detailed focusing mode. Enabled
Pero
enhanced
dahil
detailed focusing
may
mode.
shortcut ako,
Disabled enhanced
madali
detailed
ko
focusing mode.
may
Messenger.
enable at disable yan. So, ayan. Ngayon, pag gagawa nyo siya ng shortcut, guys, ganito lang. Punta lang kayo sa Jesus settings.
Main menu more and edit sys G2O set. G2O plus.
Tapos,
Reading settings.
punta lang
Notification
kayo
read
dito.
advanced set extension advanced settings.
Punta lang kayo sa custom gesture pala. Custom gesture.
Back.
Ito.
G2O general
Sorry,
settings.
nagkamali ako.
Custom gesture scheme settings.
Yan. Pasok kayo
Custom.
dyan.
Swipe up then down,
Tapos,
swipe right, swipe up then swipe down then swipe sync double tap with 2 fingers player triple tap with 2 fingers sync double tap with 3 fingers automatic browse swipe down with 3 fingers notification bar swipe left with 3 fingers recent application swipe right with 3 fingers quick settings swipe up with 4 fingers to top default swipe left with back button
ito. Para mas
general
madali,
settings
punta tayo sa
uncheck use custom gesture back accessibility
gesture na
back
ginagamit
button
ko.
Reading setting. Reading feedback. ETS set general setting. Record gen feed reading setting. Notification advanced setting. Advanced nav. Voice assistant OCR settings. Timer setting. Advanced notification reading settings. Operations. Operation
Ano
operations. Gestures default settings. Gesture scheme custom gesture by Ralph Marco. Gesture scheme settings custom gesture by Ralph Marco.
Yan.
Custom gesture by Ralph Marco.
So, yan. Dito na lang
Alas
para
7:15.
makita natin. Wala kasi doon sa kabila eh.
Swipe right then left. Swipe left then down lock. Swipe. Swipe right then up. Swipe right then down. Swipe down then right main menu.
Sorry,
Default.
pasensya na sa
Single triple single tap with double tap with 3 fingers automatic triple tap with 3 fingers suspend may swipe up with 3 fingers current low swipe right with 3 fingers quick settings the swipe left with 3 fingers enhanced detailed focusing mode function.
Yan. Kinuha ko sa swipe left 3 fingers. Yan. Pagpasok nyo dito.
Swipe left with 3 fingers.
Piliin nyo lang
Cancel uncheck function.
Piliin nyo lang tong function. Tapos
Check function.
hanapin nyo
Gesture
to.
lock enabled. Translation. Pause timer. Speaker. Full text. Reset home screen. Go back. Notification. Take a screen. Split click log direct log double direct virtual navigate care list browsing. Character list full to node read the whole enhanced detailed focusing mode.
Yan.
Swipe left with 3 fingers enhanced detailed focusing mode function.
Yan. Pagkatapos yan, okay na. Save nyo na
Close
yan.
but custom save button. Saved. Custom close. Gesture scheme settings.
Mas
Custom
maganda,
gesture by
guys,
Ralph Marco.
na pag gumawa kayo ng dito, gesture, mas maganda na i-save nyo na rin bago nyo i-close para sure na mas save talaga. Mas maganda na pindutin nyo yung save para rin, diba? So, ayan.
Enabled enhanced detailed focusing mode. Disabled enhanced detailed focusing mode.
Yan. May enable at disable nyo na siya. Yan. Disclaimer nga lang, guys. Ayan. Ano ba? Pasensya na. I-enable nyo lang to kung kinakailangan. Kasi kapag naka-enable to, ayan.
Enabled enhanced detailed focusing mode.
Kaya nito.
Feed general settings.
Kaya nito. Yan, sorry.
Back button.
Pag naka-enable kasi yan.
Chat messenger.
Yan,
Reset.
punta tayo dito
Home.
sa
Advanced option. Advanced unlocking mute. Advanced team. Unlock team. Advanced team talk.
yan.
Transmit inactive button.
Pag naka-enable kasi yan.
Ralph Marco on phone. Ralph MS double message.
Yan, o. Pag sa team talk, maraming lumalabas pero hindi nyo binabasa. Kaya
Chat.
mas maganda
Select.
kapag hindi nyo naman
Chat. Media streams.
pag hindi nyo naman kailangan yan, i-disable nyo na lang. Ayan.
Disabled enhanced detailed focusing mode. Recent. Home. Message. Unlocking advanced option. E-music. Screen recorder.
So, ayun lang naman. Yan, sana nagustuhan nyo.
Home button.
So, yan. Magandang araw sa lahat.